Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to cancel your Choose Fitness membership. Before proceeding, review Choose Fitness cancellation policy. Most locations require a 10 days notice before your next billing cycle to avoid additional charges. Make sure you are within this window. There are two main ways to cancel your membership. In person, visit your local Choose Fitness location and speak to a staff member to request a cancellation form, fill it out, and they will process your cancellation. Second method, online. You can log in into your account via the Choose Fitness website or app. Head to My Account, look for membership option, and request a cancellation. And step 3, call or send a written request. If you can't visit in person, you can also call your local gym or send a written cancellation request by email or mail. Make sure to include your membership details and contact information. And that's it. Once your cancellation is processed, you will receive a confirmation. Be sure to check for any final payments or billing cycle. Thanks for watching.